the first episode of Dumb Vibes Unfiltered, aka Shangan Gang.
But then I feel like now the Xigaza is changing. It's no longer like, oh, who's this guy Benny Mahingeni? Now they put in Xigaza into rap.
Listen, Shama 2K. It's Xigaza Shama 2K for a reason.
Okay, I understand Shama 2K, but then now they're taking Xigaza into rap. Are you aware? Let's strata.
But then I
feel like not all of us, think the same. I mean, Rona Baba we're looking at like maybe pursuing or studies, somewhere somehow they get married, happy family. I understand. You guys, Matuke, I feel like you guys have this thing, Matuke get in trouble. Everything that has to do with them has to do with vibes.
on air.
Tshama na hina eka Shangan Gang Podcast Network. Hi Ravumbirhi rin'wana na rin'wana evhikini hafu ku bile awara ya 12. Mi nga kayeli leswi. Hi swi twile mi swi twile. Hi mi tisela to hisa kumenemene na mavarivari eka Gaza. Kasi Ravumune ra vhiki na vhiki hi mi khomele mbulavulo wa leti na letiya. Hi ya emahlweni hi dyondzisa hi hlohlotela no hlayisa ndhavuko wa Xitsonga xerhu. Twanani la sonta rin'wana na rin'wana Ravumbirhi en'hwetini hi ku ya hi vhiki hi ku phamela swakudya swa tindleve evunangeni hi mbulavulo wa tiqambi teru na eximoyeni hi pfuxelela vupfumeri ni mbulavulo. Seketela, rhandza u tlhela u avelana na van'wana ntsena eka Shangan Gang Podcast Network.
Yo, wait, guys, I think we should introduce ourselves. Yeah. It's the first episode of Dumb Vibes Unfiltered, aka Shangan Gang. Welcome to the first episode. My name is Risana Shikundu. Some of you guys know me as Nunu, and I am with two of my partners.
My name is Vutlharhi, and most of you know me as Jomo RC.
Okay, guys, it's Tshepiso, but then most of y'all know me as Nicole.
Okay, guys. We're not here, but what are we going to talk about? What are we going to talk about? What are the vibes?
Ngingabalabula Xigaza Shama 2K guys.
Xigaza Shama 2K.
Yeah, like abantu laba banga le.
The new song yakumaku.
Oh, well, guys, before we go there, can we just give the people a brief of what's this?
Are you gonna give them the brief?
No. Because we can't just come here and be like, oh, this is the first episode.
Okay. Dumb Vibe Unfiltered is all about focusing Gaza Shama 2K, Katimaga Tama 2K. But we're not gossiping.
And at the end, it's
But we're not gossiping. We're not gossiping.
Yeah,
no
it's not about the
negativity.
gossip.
A bit of spice here and there. And then also about everything as a whole.
Just everything unfiltered, man.
Unfiltered.
Everything unfiltered. So, yeah.
It's all about that.
Yeah,
Going
so
back
guys,
to the
this is the first episode. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Because we are not only
This
Dumb
far.
Vibe Unfiltered, we are part of Shangan Gang. So
Yes.
go subscribe there. Always. Now
Always,
everybody.
Okay, just balabla man.
Mina I love you more. You love like gom. Yo,
Okay,
I think it was last
you
week.
know that.
what's going on?
I think it was last week.
Like who?
Niko meme
It's
mtusanyana
on the song.
This boy. No, you don't need the song, just that small snippet.
You have your phone, the clip.
Ngombela phone nung to someone ngwana
I
man.
don't know it. I don't know it.
Sa faila leswi swi endlaka. Sa faila. Awaka Gaza we.
No.
Ele.
I took a break. Guys, understand that? I think it's time we bring Lekompo and Xigaza together.
No.
Already,
Xigaza
yeah.
for what?
Body
Not
please.
Lekompo.
Body please na black meat na naman. Ikona. Combination, Bali Bruko, combination. I think that's Likomba because Janesh was also there.
Oh yeah, that's yeah, okay.
Mara ifambisana na
I
Xigaza
thought
nyana.
alright.
Well, because they're part of Xigaza Shama 2K, I think Shangena Nation. So my
Ika
love,
i-2.
yeah.
Amakaluya wala la ka Xigaza lo.
Man, I took a break. I was there. No.
Aware netabuya.
And they say, yeah, I'm going to style tango because that's the idea, and that's the idea.
Okay, what is it talking about? Let's start there.
Ilingisa, shukwa.
Ingisela Xitsonga.
Ntombazana.
Let's not forget.
Okay.
I told you guys.
But the bliss la, ibadela inside kuri. I didn't come here to play or to carve. Nte kutatira.
Come back.
Really.
I'm gonna come back. Yes.
Alright.
Antela
So,
mabasana.
The most interesting part, young lady Rata. Like, yo, wait, what would I lie? I just you said black meat. I don't know what he was doing there, but he nailed it.
He did
Mara
it.
ne yikota yena ntsena.
That's the thing.
Wena ne
Yeah. You want to replace him.
Right.
Yo.
But then I feel like if I like maybe pay more attention to it, maybe I'll get there.
Utafika wena loko ilandelela utayitika.
Stoteka kari mara itafika mwana mwa. Yengisa
Go
nukuzela.
easy on me, Pella. But then we're not there. Anyway, what else? Okay, now I was exposed to this song Jiggy Jiggy, but then I got exposed to it yesterday. I'm so sorry. I just saw like people trending on TikTok and everything. But in any moment I didn't know what was going on until I followed it and so good.
Jiggy Jiggy. I feel like Laya DJ size end the history, guys. He made history because
Is it
what
the
you
first
mean
song?
1 million
Is it the first
what-
single? Is it a single?
Yeah, I think it was a single. Yeah,
It's the first one. Is it his first song?
No, kuna ingwanyana futhi. Hlaba ngwana body.
But then I think this one is the first one to go viral, right?
Yeah, this one is more viral. Like he made
first
history
one.
on this one. What
Yeah.
when you get a million listen in it, million streams.
In a
Yeah.
man.
Let's
In a
not-
man.
In a man. That's nice. Shout out to who?
Shout out to DJ
DJ
Xigaza.
Shout out to DJ Siza.
Clock it on that one. Cause he
DJ
ate.
Siza upengoma la.
Like he no
La
he
he-
ate. And wa re kute.
Wa-
Wa re kute. Va burini va ila ku ila ku ithoba seteri va khala bjana. Did you hear
In
that?
Xigaza, there's a lot going on, right?
Yeah.
And right now, we even have this female popping.
Which who?
Makadzi.
No, Xigaza, Makadzi, we are going there.
Kashikaza. Queen.
Or is it that I only know her?
Wakambani.
Yes.
Wakambani ne.
What do you mean that female topic?
Wakambani.
The vibe.
Yes, I feel like she's
They're
everywhere.
most
For my
energetic.
female, I feel like she's the one everywhere.
Everywhere.
Literally.
Everywhere.
Have you seen her energy? Some like a choir shot, like oh
Energy.
god.
Yo.
Yeah, I like
When
it.
That was an
Africa
artist
stage,
featured.
I started know
like,
how to
Yeah.
put this up. I don't know the lyrics very well. Ne?
just time.
Even
Man.
though I don't know what it means,
Abona
but
ngoma le
I'm
ngoma
like,
le yiphi.
ne?
No, she ate on that one. Minani ending in it a few days ago, and people were like, "I'm a gone girl." I'm like, "Nah, it's just a hit.
Yeah,
This
it's
song is
just
a
that
hit.
it's not always about being a
What
good
come back?
Not always about
Yeah, that one she did it. And this one, guys, I don't
Oh,
know.
yeah, that one.
Ngiyabithanda.
Yeah,
I listen to this songs, but then I don't know the lyrics.
I think that was the first song Inga
Ingaba
That went
viral.
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 Yes,
Ngiyahamba.
very.
yeah, and then that's where ke angasungula ku, and she's nailing it. She's nailing it.
Okay, let's talk about Xigaza. Okay, guys. What is Xigaza? Are they actually
Well-
saying Xigaza that comes into Ama 2K?
Ama 2K.
Yeah.
But then I feel like now the Xigaza is changing. It's no longer like, who's this guy, Benny Maingeni? Now they putting Xigaza into
Yeah,
rap.
Listen, Shama 2K.
Like,
It's Xigaza Shama 2K for a reason.
Okay, I understand Shama 2K, but then now they're taking Xigaza into rap. Are you aware?
Like
They're all-
Bobo, Bliss Boy,
Yes.
rapper.
Yes.
Taking it
Also,
to rap.
who's Metro Beats? Nayana, I think there was this live that I joined. He was like, I'm mixing a bit of Afro pop, Afro something,
And
or something,
Xigaza.
and Xigaza, and he's eating on that
He's
one.
doing it. It's
What
very
I feel like
nice.
they're all eating. They're all eating. Xigaza Shama 2K as well, guys. They are.
Like the artists leti nga ta Makaza, ta
They're all
benefit.
eating. They're
That
all
benefit
eating,
that can
and I
come
like how they're all working together. I like it. Oh, guys, I
Working
love it.
together.
Yeah, like features after features.
Okay,
Features.
so features after features, where your own understanding, like which features do you think would come with like a big bang? Like
Xigaza Shama 2K na Metro Beats. You see,
All the Xigaza artists.
Wakambani
Metro.
na Bliss Boy. Wakambani na Bliss Boy.
I see that
Hey,
one. I see the
Yeah.
vision.
Yeah,
Okay,
Wakambani na Bliss
but then
Boy.
I understand there's this thing of Xigaza. Okay, you guys tend to forget about, is it Hennessy? Is it human?
And you see,
Yes.
well, and
Ake
you see,
buela ka yona le ya Xigaza xa
literally, yena vele utehi.
If
Have you seen my wife? That one was a hit. But yena focus here, it's more about love songs. It's all about marriage.
Yeah.
My 2K. One thing I've realized about my 2K is that asifuna umshado. Guys, my 2K, I
oh, why is it
Why- why
guys? Now
Ngoma
we're
leya-
looking up to the future. Actually, don't do
Bro,
that.
Nangoma le ya Metro Beats leyo. Na song le ya Metro Beats leyo. Tswala xikolo something
Laya
something.
lava kushkol.
Angeni xikolo.
When was that released?
Yeah, wabona ngoma leyo.
Yeah, that one I feel like it accommodates everyone. It's not only about Ama 2K. I feel like other older people also get accommodated on that one. Because hey, you
But
see,
most-
life
most thing ngabula kuya ka ma-2K.
literally though.
So now let's go back to this one. Enough about the music and whatever. You just said something about Matuke Araba Kilinyano. Why do you have that in your mind?
No, like most of them. Like Anseta, Manchangana Muno.
I understand it's a lot.
2K
That one I get it.
angajani.
For your
Yes.
understanding, why do you think
Because our generation is
Little Strata?
And then makaza bana
But then I feel like not all of us, think the same. I mean, Rona Baba we're looking at like maybe pursuing our studies, somewhere somehow they get married, have a happy family. I understand. You guys, Matuke, I feel like you guys have this thing, Matuke get in trouble. Everything that has to do with them has to do with vibe.
no.
everything.
Listen, my 2K others. Baso.
Ya xikaya ya Matsonga vona Matsonga ya.
Yes.
Besides Matsonga,
Besides Matsonga.
have you ever been into
I'm a
Congo though?
2K.
I'm a 2K in general.
Listen, my 2K, my fulekeng of matihlo. Because remember, during the old days, it was you just grow up and then you get married, and that's it. As a woman,
And the ujata wa
ukula, exactly, wakula, and then ukomba, so that they can show that now my girl she's ready to be a wife.
Yeah, but
And then
and then now I feel
that's
like
it.
us, we're
So
exposed to
now,
everything.
exactly, we're
internet,
exposed to the fun.
Yeah.
Now, there's no need for you to ruin the fun, Ilish. This is the best thing for the
But then,
Wabona lexi ring.
no, wait, guys, about the ring, guys. Mara, even though you are a 2K, you can still get married, man. I mean, our title lives forever. Even though we are to get married in our 40s, we will forever be.
Maybe in our 40s, you should
Van'wani never.
Even in our 40s, the fact that we are titled I'm a 2K, it won't change.
I get that. Now I'm talking about that thing ya kumchado. Umshado.
Umshado, abantu
We still want
abafuna
umshado. I still
Ama-2K.
have umshado because bumnandi butele ahande.
Bona sweswi le Kazakh.
So since you don't want to get married, what
Not
do
that
you
I don't
want?
wanna get
Okay,
married.
fine. As for them shadows, I'm a 2K. I'm putting that on there.
Uh-huh.
What do you want? You looking like. Okay, let me ask you personally, and you. What do you want? Since you're a 2K and as for them shadow, now let's come back.
Okay,
Bona
yeah.
ba tla o shaya.
I can show Mara. Yeah.
No, not personally. Mina and Lavi, at the moment, I'm not looking at marriage. I'm not looking at anything that has to do with Like, I'm looking at money, guys. I want to make
The
my own
bag.
money.
Say,
Like, I'm looking at the
Money.
bank. Let's forget about not.
But mali no ne ka ma-2K ba focus too much ka mali.
I think that's a good thing.
Ma-2K ba
Yeah,
lava ngopfu
I
mali.
feel
Focus
like it's time now we focus on money. It's a thing.
Hey,
Jamsha.
hey,
That boy.
hey, exactly.
I'm just saying. I'm not saying it's shot already wanna know.
Yeah, yeah.
But then it's something I wanna have like in my life.
Yeah.
Not like now. Linda, obviously. I know we're telling strata, guys. It's fine.
Right now, I
Yeah,
just,
once-
I
once
mean,
it
a person, I
starts.
just don't have that thing in my mind yet. Like, I'm saying, I haven't shaped myself as a wife or as a mom. I haven't had that thought, and I don't think I want to have it anytime soon.
Yeah, so
Kishapka, baby.
you guys are all for the bag.
Yes.
There he is.
Woo, yeah, but
Defending.
yeah, but
Like,
ungakusabuza,
it's
yeah.
we're all for the bag, but then we have to go for the bag. It's not like it's gonna come to us, right?
Real.
How would you like encourage me to do? Like, why would you want me to do? Like, I don't know if you understand. As much
Well,
okay, I get about 2K we all have like the same
What I've
mindset.
learned, sorry,
How?
what I've
It's
learned
There are
is
many
that,
ways to make. You have
What
to,
I've learned
you
is
can't just
that-
wake up and be like, I want to make money.
yeah, real, but what I've learned is that whatever that you're good at, don't use it for free. Don't do it for free. Use your talent, your skill in return of money. Like, yes, that's what I heard. And you minanash there. You
Oh,
When
man.
you
about
tell us
talent and skill, ne?
I'm using this month vibe because I always get that
Alright.
vibe thing.
So with me, okay, the vibe and the skill, ne? With me, it's always a thing of fine. You go through my TikTok, maybe you can see, maybe she's something or content next. And then I always get up in a position whereby I talk to artists and whatever. And talking to them, I feel like to me it's gonna be a thing okay, maybe there might be opening doors because I've always wished to be an influencer, I don't wanna lie. I've always wished to be like viral everywhere on the social media. And then I feel like every time I get these people to help me, they go south and don't go the way I want.
Sanalam, I don't really recommend you having to open your doors through artists or through anybody because at I made you. I hate the
I made you mad. I understand.
I made you. That's what I'm avoiding. Mina guys. Exactly. Look, so Rishabh, let's take
Mara, that's life, Rajikela. At the
Listen.
end of the day, there's nothing we can do.
Okay, and then he builds you into something, and then you meet me. I'm taking you to greater heights. And then obviously I made you. One chikela. Yes.
I mean,
So
we
that's-
both know the truth. I don't think you made me. I think I also put myself. Once you think I don't care, as long as now I'm there and I'm moving in that face, this is what I wanted for me.
Well, personally, I don't want those kind of vibes where I'm gonna find myself being told, "Kore, I made you one chikela," because bro, I built myself up.
But I made you. I feel like the I made you part falls in both things. Because right now, if I'm to start something on my own and then it goes everywhere, it pops and stuff. Obviously, some people.
He has something that he wants to say to you.
Okay. Okay.
For me, I hope it's off the mic.
Okay, yeah.
I don't see it. Sama.
Okay, Taman. Join us. Mina kudzela mani.
No, la kutwisa kunitarini lawa.
Yes.
Asishangane
Nasho
gangster.
sisemfikini.
Same kwa.
Oh, all right. No
What
problem.
were you saying?
Kunjani? Okay. Kunjani, but hello.
Hi.
Kunjani? Okay. Wawula or you not sure?
Yeah,
Oh, you speak.
I'm Lavelle, baby.
Oh, okay. Wawula.
Mara washito.
Not a problem. Yeah. Send call, no. Never to send someone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, that's not
Leswiya loko hi nga ri on air a hi ta swi vulavula a swi yeah
Okay, we'll understand na kusuma.
hi nge holo okay
1 minute.
okay I actually believe I'm off. I hope I'm off.
Yes, you are.
I'm here with a Jonas brother of mine.
Jonas.
Jonas, crazy.
Oh, Jonas.
So I'm here with Jonas brother of mine, and he told me specifically, can you please go and tell her that that's what he says. That's something when
Well,
you're
you were
done.
talking about marriage.
Yes.
Well, your answer is now.
Exactly. No, when you guys are done, come over to him and then I'll tell him.
Jonas.
Yeah.
Jonas.
I'm not Jonas. I'm not Jonas. Okay.
You can see.
Yeah, ma'am. I'll wait for you. It's not Jonas I'm talking. I'm the one who says.
Oh, she will be back.
Okay.
Shabba.
Hey, you see, now I'm scared of those ones. I know I was joking. I give it to my
Gonorrhea.
Jonas.
Jonas. Yeah. And I feel like you guys now, hey, this Jonas thing is.
Jonas is doing. Yo, Jonas.
Let's start cutting this
Problem,
lips.
One of the things that's making me to be scared of marriage. change my mind.
Uhleketa
Something
Jonas.
comes up. I try to change my mind. So Sukuta Jonas. Jonas is proving why I shouldn't be thinking about Mary.
Mary. Why understand?
They're not all like that. You get it?
No, the thing is, it starts like that. When I'm not like them, I'm different.
Then I change.
He's gonna show you why he's different. He's their boss.
I'm changing.
Not speaking
That's
from
your man.
experience though.
So inachinchana ke. Inachinja na mina tamchinja. Inachinja.
When
Watch
I
one.
change.
I'm gonna put him in late.
Jamazan.
I feel like Joyce was too soft for him.
For Jonas.
I think it's because of love. I mean, love sometimes it tells.
Love is blind.
Love is
No. Besides being soft, I feel like she was holding on to the years. 20 years.
Besides the
The kids.
the I made you part.
Yeah, when I
the
say yeah,
company.
Yes, because so he had 4 wives without even knowing God and I wanted to tell him.
Bro. No, 3 wives and one
girlfriend.
The
Girlfriend, the
friend.
one that got a miscarriage.
Yeah.
Is Danny.
Okula
Imagine
friend.
that a man or something is imagine dating a person that's like young
Like
enough
me-
to be a
like me,
daughter.
so-
I see that she was practically his daughter because
Yeah, she grew
She's
up
a
there. I
friend,
think 8
exactly.
years in their lives. Yeah. But
No,
it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, guys. I will end Xigaza Shamasuke.
Xigaza Shamasuke.
Yes.
I feel like before let's get to something else.
But
My favorite.
ini
Drop hat.
washibona
Ikapela isdoko. Chiku isdoko.
Ilesha store. Ilesha store.
What's the start?
Can I
Wow.
Mara,
Topic.
please
First
can I
wife. Then you can start first
First one, let's
wife.
go. Okay, you can also pick yours. You guys will continue as you continue. Cool.
Alright guys.
You can start, honey.
I wonder what's the question here, hey? It says
Yeah. See that?
says-
You're gonna be the first one to introduce it. And they discussing us at the end.
Okay, it says, would you agree if your family takes you back to the rural areas to be a farmer or a cattle boy?
No. No.
I saw the sunrise.
No.
Well, if Suna Malinden,
Your family.
Your family
Your family.
takes you back to the rural
family.
areas to be a farmer or a cattle boy. So meaning you're gonna be working for the family. There's no bag here.
there's no
No,
bag for me.
man.
Yes.
As chicken. As a fail.
Something.
Right.
When I'm-
I
I'm
also feel
Never.
like I can't. For me, I
Where
feel
did you
like.
grow up?
Huh?
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Limpopo. I used to live with my grandmother until when I was like in grade 2. Hey, because of being a
Ah,
proper.
kulala Limpopo wena wala.
I
No,
did
wala.
not.
No.
Parang
No.
kulali Limpopo.
Kula nyo na 2 years yana.
No, 2 years
Ay,
na.
suka.
Atanin.
Ay, ukula ako wala Limpopo mo naman. Wala wala.
Wala wala.
Makason.
Not really. Not really.
What do you
but
mean?
let's say I grew up both sides. Okay.
Ah, so
Ah, mga never.
where kulela? Where
Akaya
kulela?
for 2
School
years.
wise.
Akaya 2
School-wise,
years.
Gane
Not
from
2 years.
Okay, lele kwen
I
kaya
was here. Huh?
before Italian, ita wele ka grade 2.
Yeah.
And then you came this side and continued grade 3 to grade 12.
Yeah, grade 3 to grade 12, yes.
Ay, sana luam. Wala wala.
Wala.
I'm here presently.
Wala.
No wala.
So that's why it won't be easy for me to go back there.
Yeah,
Because I feel like now I'm too exposed to here.
exactly. Exactly.
Imagine guys,
So,
going
yeah,
ruling, there's no
kaya,
makeup, don't channeling, and makeup. Ako na frontal.
And then yung nails, ha?
Inombala.
Ita melta, mata ko lace there, mata ko lace there.
Utajuluka lugar ntirweni,
Literally.
makeup.
I see the makeup.
So would you?
Eyatira njani? Eyatira
Nawe, no fucking.
So would you be a
it's not a
cattle
fun.
boy though? Why?
I don't think Munloy atama kula angasifumela.
Angasifumela neo.
Peer pressure, what do people say?
People say why you
So what's stopping you guys from going back? If like you want to go back, what would stop you from like going?
it's the labor. Yo guys, I hate labor.
like
I hate
too
it.
much.
Yo, now I feel like it's the labor, and the thing already. Yo, what will people say about me? I feel like Ibathu knows
Hey,
it. For me, listen.
but that you said you want to be an influencer.
It's not peer pressure. I feel like in Nane, I give it in a certain pace. I don't know. I give that people and then they give me the obvious when I have that thing. I have this thing. Okay, now I feel like going back there. I'm gonna crash out into depression.
I'm gonna hold your hands when I tell you this. You said you wanted to be an influencer.
Yes.
It's not about developing a thick skin. There's always going to be opinions about you. So if you go about what do people say, mindset, what do people say? Please do it for me, if not for you.
I feel like if I practice more into it, like, more of a stand goal vibe. Yeah, now I get it.
I don't know, whatever that you're going to practice, as long as what do people say? No way.
So you won't go back because of the labor?
Yes, because of the labor, not about. Hey, the labor is hard, guys.
It doesn't always have to be about the labor, guys. You guys must like something that like.
No, it's just the labor. I mean, guys, I enjoy being home. Like, I enjoy it.
Same, I enjoy being home, but then
network. Yo, guys, I'm chronically online. I am chronically online.
For
my
me, I
God.
don't know, because I need the guys where I come from. Yo,
Yeah.
but then going that side of the back, we have problems. Rain, rain.
John.
I feel like it's those rural, like, you see those. That's like,
I never, but
yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So I feel like those polls for Adio. So it's bad. Because every time I'm at Limpopo, if I leave, for instance, 24th of December, I won't be online until I come back.
Hi, Sana.
Because that's the life we're like living there, honestly. So I feel like those.
I wouldn't survive.
I feel like also half of the things.
Bro, I say China network, but the way you're describing it, it's a no.
It's bad, very bad. But then, I feel like half of the things that I have here, they are not there. So
Half? No, not half. Almost all, guys.
Almost
And let's be
all of
honest,
them.
almost all.
hey, load shedding, why guys can't? I can't.
Well,
Are you on the
well,
chat?
that.
Huh?
Are you on the chat?
Not really.
Nah, we also don't experience load shedding.
Oh, no, Magash.
Oh, what's the name?
I've heard of that place. I do want to know about that place, but I just don't know what that's with. And then when you get the Omakokoa,
That's a need. What is it?
Zanin, Marakuyi, not Zanin.
Ramasuma, like after my plaza, they
I said Davis.
you know, it's after Ramitwa, Wangua side.
We don't know, Ceci, we don't know.
How would you know if Jay John is from there? When are you a fan?
My sister, I am from Malamele Shikundu. Wabana Zanina Shikundu, Snapule, Napule, Jan.
Where is that? Is it in Giani?
No, it's still far from Gian. It's still far from Gian. Malamele Shikundu is still far from Gian. Like, my
No,
place is so
I
far.
only know Giani and Ramitwa.
I've heard of those places.
Yeah. Those are the only places I know. And
Next.
that's your question. Why am I laughing?
Do you think helpline contacts are helpful, such as anti-bullying, gambling, suicide, helplines?
Wait, do you think what? Helpline content? Wow! Not really.
Yeah, same.
Not
They
really.
not.
My sister begging for getting a phone. They didn't answer.
They don't go through. Like
They
now,
don't
for
go
instance,
through.
I didn't get phone emergency 112.
Yes.
You don't go through. I feel like those are useless.
Those are useless. Very useless. Your only emergency contact is your
I
family.
feel like in terms of bullying, you can go on like maybe seeing a teacher at school so that they guys maybe social work.
They are, yo.
Like depression, I feel like those
No,
ones
teachers,
are gonna need
guys.
you to go like physically and talk to
I
them
get
to
that,
develop
but
goals.
when a teacher bullying, teachers, I don't know what's wrong with teachers, but they often defend the bullies.
Yeah, and It's the victim. Real. I'm gonna tell you that maybe they're bullying you because of their home background. You
cannot
are
understand.
with me.
Mental health ya mina over kuye na inkulu njani
Inkulu njani,
asimunike right.
It's not a teacher,
Asimunike right.
For, like, as you were saying, depression and everything. I feel like you should talk to a person wherever you feel like more I can get help. A person who can get you through. Because now I feel like personally, I would look for a person who's like maybe a social
Like
worker.
social worker.
Yeah.
Rather than because someone one day
Also, a trusted friend. Like for people, lababa chabaku. So approach abantu. If you got a trusted friend, when I say trusted friend, you don't do this. Show me this, show me that. If you have that kind of a person, I feel like it's safe for you to go there. So.
not for me, I get a pretty chore.
Huh?
I don't trust it. You can trust a friend for like 20 years and then back to jail. You know, when they come back here, I can be a downfall. Whatever you told them, they can use that as a. They can use it
against you.
They can use it against you. So I feel like personally, if I have like personal things, even though I feel like now I feel like I can keep it to myself. If there's only a friend leaving for me to,
do you have male friends? I feel like girls are more like that.
male friends.
You see,
I do have male friends, but they're not friends that could like come to you and tell them
you
those
don't have
things.
that deep connection. You see, when you get a male friend is not romantic, guys. I feel like it's only girls. I'm not saying actually. Let me not say only them. Maybe some other males, but it's mostly girls. La baba, user, whatever that you say to them
Against you.
Yeah.
It's mostly girls. But males, you see,
They feel, and I feel like they even give advice, eh?
yes.
You give
Mara,
advice.
the girls never to take advice.
Well, I can.
I went on the team.
I'm for real.
When
You can
you
ask my friend. You see me.
So listen, if you were to be my friend, like, would you tell me everything? Because okay, fine. Why?
I trust
What you mean? Why?
You trust me just because of trust. So don't you think one day go
I also trust blindly.
like
bruh.
that's like
yeah.
imagine that's not really true. But it's trust that.
same thing as a girl to girl. There's also you can trust the girl. Okay? Mara, there's that thing that says, what if?
No, I feel like the energy is not reciprocated. Imagine me coming to you, but you never come to me. That is when
Realize that we really
but look when she knows so sometimes it's also about trust. You want to trust it. Yes, it's all about reciprocation. Yeah.
So we guess the helplines that are gonna reshape. Reshape.
Should we move?
It's
Next
fine.
question.
Next question.
Which social media influencer do you like and why?
TikTok. TikTok, huh?
TikTok, man.
TikTok, I guys, TikTok is
TikTok,
everything.
No,
TikTok is
social
Instagram.
media influencer. Not social media. Social media influencer. Like, who's the influencer you like on social media and why? I'll start. Talk on the end.
Mina kuhava. Hayi.
No, guys, sorry, let's go, Jaja. Say,
Yo!
She's
She's all there, guys.
I love her so much. She's
guys.
No, she doesn't have drama, but then if she seek for drama,
She will give you
And
that.
she'll make sure she
She
gets it.
reciprocates.
I like her because she's like, you know, I'm that girl, man. I don't care.
She's the
I'm
it
in
girl.
my own, like, I love her
That girl
so
lives in her
much.
own bubble.
Said Bush, she's fine.
She's a cool person. Say Bush is
She
cool.
is. I feel like I also at first, I don't wanna lie, I didn't like get it correct. I didn't understand science at all. I didn't get it. Even after that incident, the Haile Baba Nunu, I just like hate. But then after getting like more exposed to her, you know, I first started liking her, go podcasting, yeah, open chats.
Okay.
That's why like I understood where she's coming from and everything. That's why I started liking her. So I feel like you know Sissy Science, right? but then you don't know everything about her. That's
Yeah,
why you
yeah,
feel the
yeah,
way
yeah,
you
yeah,
do.
yeah.
I feel like if you like get to know her more, it's gonna be easy.
Now I just saw her. Oh, never like. Loko konze kuba na drama yena ne. She's not the one who started. Oh, entertainer yena. If she does want to.
yena wa
But, you know, she
entertain
just
abayisunguli.
Usungulwa yena.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
and
like
then she.
hence I'm saying if you're looking for it, she's gonna give it to you.
She's got- and she
on a
gives
silver
them-
platter. She's gonna bring it
One
like this.
diva and she gives her a 10 out of 10.
Ah, eh.
So this publisher you're
My
talking
diva.
about, is it the one that like this content?
Huh?
Publisher.
Spokusha and yeah, the content creator. Like she's
doesn't have
one of the
harmony.
yo
Kumele
exactly.
kubona video
She's peaceful.
I want more peaceful fun and Spokusha answers some drama yeah. Like oh my goodness. Hello, and I like the fact that she's Christian. She prays. Oh my God.
5 minutes, guys.
Okay.
I feel like
This
she's
one.
very peaceful.
This girl. I don't know if you can
You know,
see
I
her.
started following her when we used to, before TikTok, there was Likey.
Oh,
Yes,
what's
I know
Likey?
Likey.
Where's
Likey,
Likey?
no, it's an app.
Yeah, it is.
Likey.
Where is it? Like I had gone.
Ayargo.
It's the hard
Disappeared.
The
Yes.
entertainment
That's why she started.
Yes.
Well, that's a new one.
Oh, well, and I used to like Mugelings until she decided to.
Na TikTok ingona suspendiwa still ema. Yabona.
Hey, look, what's suspend? You're not my life.
Yabona suspenda TikTok vanhu vatapora.
Literally.
Vatapora. Was TikTok vanhu valandelela kufiyo.
And it's exactly that's how we stay updated. Mina ngingatashitiwa kuna drama so na so. Like even what's happening around the country. It's TikTok, guys. I don't have time to watch TV, news.
Ana time ya TikTok.
Guys,
TikTok.
you know what? Okay, fine, I understand. I might be a background actor. You know, I'm a background actor, but then I'm not.
Girl, chat.
Yeah, but I don't even want.
TV.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
background.
I'm soon to be in a reality show.
Huh?
Soon I'm to be in a reality show.
Okay.
But then I cannot tell TV. I'm here for them gozy.
For the drama, for the
There's
drama.
this guy on TikTok, Ringo Hana's yeah, I feel like he's more into the Locompo. I feel like even in Xigaza, there's this one person that you know, if I go here, I'm gonna get whatever I want. Is there?
Well, if you're talking about current affairs, like they say, they can go around. There's this guy. I forgot his name. I forgot him. Now I'm going to discover that one. Like him, video where he was informing us about Hansa virus. That guy, and he's not about drama. Like it's just all about him.
Before we go far, does Hunter virus exist?
Yes.
We blew it dead and it's gone.
Never matter what, lava.
No.
No, but Hansa virus.
But as long as very cure your Hunter virus, guys, let's drink. I swear. You can Google. I had to like research. I give it a white and it's chai.
No way.
I swear, you can even check. So that's what I'm asking myself is, did it really exist or what?
No, I feel like I'm like with distractor from something. Conte corner, yeah.
Antivirus naman bon busy nga ba?
Hey, one thing in the ship. What do you mean, Ukuma virus? It relay amalwandle and then pangutisa.
Bakutisa halo kuya na yo
It doesn't make sense. The only thing that made sense was Corona.
Hey, I can't wait to tell my kids.
Lockdown, lockdown.
I survived.
I was there. I was
COVID-19.
wearing a mask.
But you also didn't like infected with Corona. Say, okay, now it.
I think at some point, and then I thought
No,
maybe
you didn't know.
yeah, because it was some sort of a flu. So probably, I think that's why she got infected. Well, I
So
took
the
my
people who died for flu.
no, I feel like Vamanyana Bafangi, but they were just trying out.
Ababajo swabo.
And then whenever coronavirus.
So guys, there's no way you can like if flu.
No, actually there is. There is.
Because COVID, we lost a lot of lives, hey.
I still stand by Kore.
So how was it for you? Like the coronavirus, was it nice?
Well, at first it was scary. But as I got used to it, I was like, oh, okay. Well, I take that partially off my wish. I don't want to lie.
So we don't go to
Yeah, true. Because when I never COVID, I hit the grade 8, not 9. They never half of grade 9. And I so like a half year grade 9.
Then you got grade
One
10.
of the reasons.
And it was a nice in a way because they started doing, I don't know, my school had this thing out in a week, maybe this week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, weekend, Monday.
Yeah.
12 grade 10. No, and I thought back on my mind, I'm like, I want to see them at church, but I'm in grade 8. What do you mean?
Like it was exactly, but grade 80. That's what you were supposed to experience. Anyways, guys, it's a wrap. It's a wrap.
Guys, please like, comment,
Please
share.
like, comment, and
subscribe.
subscribe to Shangan Gang. Don't forget to follow us, Nunu.
Jomo RSA on Facebook, TikTok.
See you on episode 2.
See you on episode 2. I hope you're still there and I hope you got something to say.
Jomo RSA. Yeah.
And I'm Nicole Ramaila. Yes, just Nicole.